But I am optimistic that at next year's carnival, our governor-elect, Mr. Akinwumi Ambode, will be here to keep the tradition going. We have built a great thing, and it couldn't have happened without you. So I urge all of you, the sponsors, all of you, the participants, all of you, the designers and manufacturers of the costumes, to continue to work hard to expand on what we have done. This has been a great family day where all our children, parents can come out, dance, sing, display, and generally have fun. And a nation that has so many young people needs many more of this kind of activities to expend the energies that you have and to channel them to productive purposes. So for me, it's time to say thank you. Thank you all very much. You have been wonderful over the years. And it's also time to say bye-bye. God bless you.